Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to show you how I make this yummy local jollof rice with spinach, shrimps and some dry fish. So if you like this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and also remember to hit that notification bell so that you will never miss any of my videos that I'm going to upload in this channel. Now let's get started. For this recipe, I'm going to be using 3 cups of parboiled rice. Here are the vegetables that I'm going to use. I'm not going to use any fresh tomato or tomato can. I'm just going to use tomato paste. I have some bell pepper, onions, garlic cloves, ginger, scotch bonnet, some shrimps, spinach and dry fish. And I'm also going to list all the ingredients that I use for this recipe in the description box, so you can please check it out before you make your own. Here are the spices that I'm going to use. I have some nutmeg, curry, ginger, tomato paste, crayfish, Maggi cubes, olive oil and some palm oil. And I also have some salt to your taste. I'm also going to be using this fish stock. For this recipe, we are not going to use anything meat, it's just all about fish. I'm just going to chop the vegetables because I don't want them to be too smooth. That is why I'm using my food processor to chop them into little pieces. Here is my frying pan. I'm just going to add some little amount of olive oil. I'll add some garlic. I'm just going to cook this garlic for 1 minute because I don't want it to get burnt. And I'll pour in my shrimps. I'll stir fry it for just 2 minutes because you don't want to overcook your shrimps. I'll add some salt. So the shrimps is ready. I'm just going to set it aside. Then in my pot, I'm just going to pour in the fish stock and I will allow it to come to boil. The water is boiling. I'm going to add some olive oil because it helps the rice not to stick together. So I'm just going to use this fish stock to cook the rice. So here is my pot. I've added some palm oil, then I add some salt. I pour in my tomato paste. I'm just going to cook it for about few minutes. I'm adding some nutmeg and I'm just going to allow it to cook properly. I'll give it a nice stir. Don't leave it so that it will not get burnt. I'll add the vegetables that I blended before. I'm just going to cook it for some minutes. I'm going to give it a nice stir and I will allow it to cook. I'm just going to add some curry, crayfish, Maggi cubes. Then I will give it a nice stir. I'm adding the dry fish. So you just need to stir it so that everything will mix together very well. I'm I'm going to add the liquid that comes out of the vegetables that I blend before. I'm just going to use it to cook it for some minutes. So I'm just covering the pot, and I would like to cook for about 6 to 7 minutes. So as you can see, I've been cooking the vegetables for about 7 minutes. So before I add the rice, I'm just going to take some of them out of the pot because I don't want the vegetables to be too much. So maybe later, if it's not enough, I'll add more into the rice. So it's time for me to add the rice. And I'm just going to stir it together very well. You need to mix everything together properly so that everything will mix very well. I'm going to add the spinach. I'm just going to stir it very well. You need to stir the rice because you don't want your rice to get burned. So just time to time, just stir the rice. Bring it down to the up to the down, so that everything will mix together very well. Guys, try this rice out. It's so delicious, so good. Your family will love it. So it's time for me to add the shrimps. I'll add the fresh chili pepper. I'm just going to stir it together very well. Guys, if you don't like spicy food, you can skip that chili pepper. So this rice is so delicious, guys. Try it out and tell me how your own comes out in the comment section. I'm just going to cover it. I will allow it to cook for just 3 minutes. Our rice is done. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, and you can as well share to your family and friends. And also remember to hit that notification bell so that you will never miss any of my yummy recipe. And don't forget to subscribe before you go out of this channel. I love you all, guys, and I'm going to see you in my next video with another delicious recipe. Bye bye. Ciao ciao.